got boxes. Careful, 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 careful. These are all small business products I got with Zazzle. And what do we got in the first box? These turned out amazing. These are thank you cards. These are the thank you cards that we use for our custom orders today. I wanted to try something different, so it's a tri-fold card. It says thank you, and then we tell a little bit about the story of your print, a discount code in there, and then a really cute illustration of a 3D printer. Next, what do we got in here? Oh my gosh, stamp! I was the most excited for this one. It's a stamp with our logo on it. I got this big boy because I wanted to stamp packaging. Next, oh, we got goodie bags. Oh my gosh, those are big. Sometimes I add things like little hats to our orders. Now I have a little bag I can stick them into. And finally, we have adoption cards. Every custom order is going to get an adoption card that you can fill out with the name when you adopted it. Good boy. Huge shout outs to Zazzle for sponsoring all of this stuff. The print quality is amazing and I can't wait to send this stuff out.